Alrighty, it is day 19, and that means today is the premiere of Kamen Rider Gotchard. In my time zone, it will be on later tonight. And hopefully it being the premiere day will give me good luck finding new super cool legendaries. Let's see what we get. Alright, first up is Hopper 1. Okay. All of the Hopper 1s and Gut Shovels must have been like at the bottom of the booster box for some reason. Next up is Gangan Chow Chow. We saw you yesterday. Alright, and last up. Hey, we got Kamen Rider Tycoon. That's a new legendary. Alright. Okay, so I believe that's 9 legendaries down, 6 to go, and we're just missing Buffa to complete the main 4 Geats Riders.